Hey all, just got a video I'm going to show you here. I'm seeing a lot of teachers that are using whiteboards behind them for teaching, and I found a way that you can actually do this and actually use your iPad. So if you've got an iPad, that is great. You can use that, and all you're going to need is your iPad and the lightning cable that came with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that into my computer. Okay, I'm going to open up my Chrome browser, go to my Google Meet. This is where it's going to get tricky for me because I'm recording two screens. So I'm going to start a meeting, not going to nickname it or anything. Going to click join now. Nope, not going to add others. Okay, so there I am. I'm in my Google Meet. All right. So I'm going to go look for my time player. I got mine down at in the docking bar. So I click on that and I'm going to select File, New Movie. It's going to default to, oh, actually, defaulted right there. All right, so it defaults to my iPad. So now I begin with my iPad. All right, and I've got my iPad there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit present now. I'm going to select a window, select movie recording. Now what I do on the movie recording will show to my students. So I'm going to show you here. So here I am. I want to do a whiteboard. So I go to my drawing, tap on my whiteboard software, create a whiteboard, and there it is. So if I'm doing math equations, 1 plus 1 equals 2, it'll show up there for them. I'm writing, can teach them, a squared equals b squared plus c squared. All right, so that is it for that one. I hope you can use this and stay safe and enjoy this continuous learning. Bye.